Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to redeem Xbox Game Pass code. So you can redeem Xbox Game Pass code on your console, PC, or even your browser. So I'm going to share with you different methods at which you can use to redeem your Xbox Pass code. So if you want to redeem on your Xbox console, press the Xbox button on your controller, then go to the store, click on redeem a code, then enter your 25 character code, then confirm it. Then your Game Pass subscription will be activated. On the other method, which is the second method, you can redeem on your Microsoft Store. So redeem on PC using the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store app, then click on your profile icon, then click on redeem code, then enter your code and confirm it. Then third method, you can redeem on a web browser. So visit redeemmicrosoft.com, then sign in with your Microsoft account, then enter the Game Pass code and click on next. Now you can now enjoy Xbox Game Pass. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.